In this video, we will learn how to draw margin lines. Okay, so to start, let's select the patient and the actual case where we would be drawing the margin lines on. So in this view, click on this icon that says margin lines. Now select the arch and the tooth that you would be working on. So in this case, we would be working on tooth number 31. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually positioning the tooth, zooming it in with my mouse. So I use the scroll button on the mouse to enlarge it, to zoom it in and out. And then once I get the correct view, I'm going to select the tooth number here at the bottom. And to start drawing the margin, I would just click on any part of the margin using the left click on the mouse button. And then just start clicking away, following the margin lines. So there's no set rule on how far apart your dots should be, as long as you're able to follow the margin according to how you want it to be seen by the lab. So if there are any areas that you would need to rotate the image, just right click using your mouse and then turn. And then once you've turned, start clicking again using your left click. Okay, so I'm seeing a corner here that I wouldn't see, so I would turn it again. And if I want to move the actual image up the screen, I would hold the left and right mouse clicks together. And then, oops. So this one, if you want to undo, just do Control Z. There. So if you want to move the image up and down, make sure you hold the left and right mouse clicks at the same time. Okay. And then I'll continue the margin line drawing. I'll rotate it a little bit again. And then start clicking. There you go. Getting there. I would need probably to turn it a little bit again. So here, just keep clicking, left click, until you meet the starting point. So once you click that, now you've closed the margin, and it's time for you to just double check if you're off somewhere. So again, if you want to move the entire image together, hold left and right click of the mouse at the same time. And here I can adjust and do some fine tuning on the margins that I've drawn. Maybe if I rotate it, there's something that's off that I need to move, then this is the time to do it. There you go. This one, I'll bring this a little up, this one a little bit down. Okay. So make sure you double check like every single angle, since it is in your capacity to do so anyway. And if you are satisfied with the margin that you've drawn, that's about it. You're done. But if you're not satisfied and if you want to redraw it, this is the delete button. It would delete the actual margin that you just drew. So we can close this out and go back to the screen just to double check if you actually were able to draw the margin line successfully. You can go back to it again and you would see that there's your margin line right there. So you can close this and then don't forget to hit save. And then one way to check too is that when you open this folder, you would see here margin. So this file will be sent inside the zip file that you sent to your lab, so the lab would be able to see the margin line that you actually drew. Okay, so let me close this out, and that's it. That is how you draw your margin line inside the QuickScan software. Thanks for listening.